Remove the plastic covers. This applies only to the M2. Use a 15mm socket and ratchet to remove the stock strut nuts. Use a 13mm socket and ratchet and remove the front strut bolt, and remove the bolts on either side of it. Remove stock strut brace. Place the front brace plate and screw in the stock bolts. Be sure it is sitting properly and do not fully tighten down. Ensure there is still play. Place the passenger side plate in its proper location. The production unit will include new strut mounting hardware. We are reusing the stock nuts for this installation. Install nuts loosely, making sure there is still play. Repeat with the driver's side. This part is optional. We are using a little Loctite on all strut hardware bolts. Lay the rear bar on the new mounts. Use a 6mm Allen key or socket. Loosely screw in the bolts. Ensure to not fully snug down. Repeat with driver's side. Lay down passenger side bar and do the same, ensuring the bolts are not fully tightened. Lay down passenger side bar and make sure bolts are not fully tightened. Install the driver's side support bar. This will have a cutout in it. Install the passenger side support bar. With the bars all properly installed, gently snug down all the bolts. Using a torque wrench, torque all strut nuts to 21 foot-pounds. Using a 13mm socket, torque the OE bolts to 21 foot-pounds and the middle strut brace bolt to 41 foot-pounds. Using a 6mm Allen key socket, torque all strut hardware bolts to 15 foot-pounds. Reinstall all plastic pins and covers and your installation is finished. Wipe down strut tower or polish to increase looks.